Hey there, peoples. Putting on some lip balm. Gotta have moist lips. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day. I'm going to exercise today, get a good cardio workout going, and show you what I'm eating. So that's pretty much it. Right now, I'm about to go to Marshall's and stuff and get a birthday present for my sister because her birthday is next week. And then I'm gonna come home and exercise, but before I do anything, I'm gonna go get a smoothie. And so let's go. Hey baby, hey, boy say, girl say, hey baby, hey. Boy say, boy say. Okay, so I got some unsweetened almond milk, some of this raw organic vanilla meal replacements, strawberries, blueberries, and some frozen blackberries. So I'm about to make me a berry shake, a berry vanilla shake. I've made this before because it's like one of my favorite shakes. 1 scoop of this. Strawberries. Some blueberries and some blackberries. I'm also adding half a frozen banana. I'm gonna run for like 30 seconds and then take like a 1 to 2 minute break, like walking or jogging. Not gonna sprint for too long. Okay, so I did a 15-minute run. Now I'm about to get in the shower and make some lunch. For lunch, I had some potato nachos. It was absolutely delicious. Here I'm just seasoning some russet potatoes. And I baked it at 425 until it was golden brown on each side. It took about 25 minutes. And for the toppings, I'm slicing up a tomato and some green onions. I got this cashew cheese dip from Trader Joe's. I just add a little bit of water and add it to a blender just to thin it out a bit to make it more like a nacho cheese sauce. So these are all the toppings that I put on my potato nachos. Got some black beans, some nacho cheese, some green onions, tomatoes, and salsa. I'm now adding some sea salt to my potatoes, and I'm placing everything together. Okay, here is my lunch. This smells so good. I'm so hungry. This is good. Get some of that guacamole. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be making this more often. Might be seeing the same meal in every video. A lot of people think vegan food is expensive, but this is not expensive at all. It's like everything in here. Potatoes, beans, tomatoes. Even this cashew cream sauce was not expensive. It was less than $5. For dinner, I'm gonna have some kale salad and mangoes and roasted chickpeas. This cheese sauce is so good. I need more cheese. I think this is about 4 potatoes in here, like 4 small potatoes. That was good. For dinner, I had sauteed spinach and mangoes with roasted chickpeas. I'm just adding some seasonings to this, and I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 20 minutes. Here I'm adding 1 bag of chopped kale into a pan, and I'm seasoning it with sea salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. I also added 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, and it had a little bit of grapeseed oil in it as well. Once I added everything, I let it cook down at a low heat for about 35 minutes. Once the kale was done, I turned off the flame and added in some chopped mango. So this was my dinner. It was so delicious and light. That's it for today's video. I forgot to film an outro video because it was getting late, so this is my outro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.